Everyone, welcome to GM tutorial and I am Gulam Murtaza. The today's topic is Introduction to Biology. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios and logos. The word bios means life and the word logos means thinking, studying and reasoning. So the biology is scientific study of all aspects of life or all aspects of living organisms. In biology, we study structures and functions of living organisms and the problems that are facing by living organisms, which includes health issues, food issues, and environmental issues. The major divisions of biology. There are three major divisions of biology. First one is zoology. The word zoo stands for animal, and the word zoology is studying of animals. The animals includes cow, dog, cat, etc. And second is botany. It is the study of plants, and plants includes rose flower, mustard plant. And third one is microbiology, and the word micro means small, tiny, and biology means study of life. So the study of tiny objects or tiny organisms, which are named as microorganisms. So the study of microorganisms is called microbiology, and microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, etc. Now we will discuss different branches of biology, and the first one is morphology. The word morph means shape. So the study of shape of living organisms is called morphology, and we will discuss different forms and structures of living organisms in morphology. For example, if we study soft structures and hard structures, for example muscles and bones, then we are studying morphology. And next one is anatomy. So the word anatomy is also derived from two words, ana and tome. The word ana means apart and tome means cut. So the anatomy is to cut apart. In anatomy we study different internal structures of the living organisms. For example, if we studying heart, stomach or lungs, these are the internal structures, so we are studying anatomy. And next one is histology. The word histo means tissues. So the histology is the microscopic study of tissues, and the tissues includes nervous tissues, connective tissues, etc. Next one is cell biology, and in cell biology we study cells and their organelles, and we also study structures and functions of the cells and their organelles, and also cell division is discussed in cell biology. Next one is physiology. The word physio stands for function. So the physiology is study of function of different parts of living organisms. For example, if we studying the function of stomach, that is digestion, so we are discussing physiology. The next one is genetics. So the genetics is the study of genes and their role in inheritance. And the word inheritance means transmission, studying of transmission of characters that transmitted from one generation to the other generation. For example, uh, if we are studying skin color or height, and if it transfer from one generation to next generation, then we are studying genetics. And next is embryology. The word embryology is study of development of embryo up to the whole organisms, and we will discuss different stages. For example, from zygote to baby formation, and here include different stages: zygote, then fetus, then embryo, and then baby. So all these stages, if we are discussing, then we are discussing embryology. The next one is taxonomy, and in taxonomy we study naming and classification of organisms, and the naming is nomenclature, and the classification is also based on groups, and classification is categorized into groups and subgroups, and it's based on similarities and differences in their structures. Now, so the classification, in classification we classify animals and plants into 5 kingdoms, organisms into 5 kingdoms. And next one is paleontology, the study of fossils, and the fossils are the remains of those organisms which are died million years ago. For example, dinosaurs. And next one is parasitology, and the parasitology study of parasites, the parasites of those organisms which take food from the host one and get shelter or space from their living organisms, and in return these organisms harm their host. So those structures are called parasites, and for example mosquitoes, ticks, mites are included in parasites. Next one is biotechnology. So the biotechnology, in biotechnology there are three main words that we have to mention here, that is practical application of living organisms for the manufacturing of industrial products or substances, and their purpose is uh, to give benefit to the human. So the biotechnology is study of practical application of mechanisms at industrial level for the welfare of mankind. And if we study yogurt, cheese and insulin, then these products are included in biotechnology. Next one is immunology. The study of immune system is called immunology, and immune system is the system of our body that defends the body against invading or attacking microbes. And in immunology we will discuss mainly vaccination or vaccines. Next is entomology, and the word ento means insects, so the entomology is study of insects. Next one is pharmacology, and the word pharma means drugs. So the pharmacology is the study of drugs and the effects of drugs on the human body. For example, if we study antibiotics, for example tetracycline, and its side effect is discoloring of teeth, so we are studying pharmacology. The next one is environmental biology. It is the study of the interaction between the organisms and their environment. For example, if we're studying effect of light on plants, so we're studying environmental biology. Next one is sociobiology, and it's a study of social behavior of animals that make societies. For example, symbiosis, it is the living together of two organisms. It includes mutualism and commensalism. In mutualism, both two organisms that are living together are benefited, and in commensalism, one organism is benefited and the second one is not benefited and not harmed. The next one is molecular biology, is this also named as biochemistry. So it is study of biomolecules, and biomolecules are those molecules which are found in living organisms. For example, water, protein, carbohydrates, lipids and nucleic acids are the biomolecules. And the last one is major biological issues, and today's major biological issues includes overpopulation, different infectious diseases, and drug addiction and pollution. Thank you.